Hello guys, once again welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, once again, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment, share, and also don't forget to smash the bell icon. So guys, today I'll be doing a review on Uskills.Africa. Uskills.Africa, yes, Uskills.Africa. This platform was so popular and it became really famous to the extent that most people joined this platform, deposited and bought a lot of coupons. Somebody could buy hundreds of coupons just because of money enviness. And guys, today this platform is gone forever and they're taking all this money away. So guys, I'll be showing you details. I'll be showing you a lot of proof how these people scam all these millions of people in Africa over here. We all know the hardship in Africa. A lot of people are going through struggles. A lot of people are going through a lot and they are craving for money. So a lot of people invested in this particular fake platform and they bought a lot of coupons, unimaginable coupons that you can't even imagine. One person can buy a lot of coupons and thinking that at the end of the day he or she will be making a lot of profit for himself, but yet it has turned out to be a scam. So guys, on this particular edition, I'll be showing you every single details on Uskills and how they scam all these people. So guys, currently if you type in the URL over here, which is Uskills.Africa over here, you could see that. Let me refresh for you guys to see. Submit again, and you could see that the requested URL was not found on this server, and you could see that this platform is gone forever, guys. It's gone forever. So I told plenty people not to invest in this platform. As you all could confirm, if you jump onto my platform or if you jump onto my channel over here, you could see that I've not done a single video about Uskills over here. You could see that I'm not having any single video on Uskills over here. So they contacted me to promote Uskills and I never did, guys. So guys, let's search about Uskills over here. So let's search about Uskills over here. So Uskills Africa, as you can see. So a lot of people, guys, you could see video on how to earn daily on Uskills. Guys, you could see all these people. 84k views over here, as you can see, meaning that a lot of people contributed to this particular platform, thinking that they'll be making profit at the end of the day, but not knowing how this crypto world works. Crypto can be full of scam. Crypto can be full of misconceptions over here. Crypto can lead you to it can lead you to so many problems that you can't even imagine. You could see people were making a lot of money and these people are promoters. They've been paid to promote this fake website over here, and they will take that little amount that you have from you. These guys you see over here, they were credited by the Uskills developers. They were credited by them, and over here, as you can see, you could see all this money in the account, yet they were paid to do this promotion. You see the account balance over there, they were given that amount. The developers sent them, they activated that particular amount over there for them to attract you people so that they could scam you. You could see a lot of people doing videos on Uskills over here. You could see Uskills everywhere. Uskills. So guys, today Uskills is gone forever. As you all could see over here, Uskills is finally gone forever. I told most of my students not to even dare invest in Uskills. I think some did and some didn't, and at the end of the day, you all could see that Uskills is gone forever. So today this particular video is to warn you about all these Ponzi schemes. You know how they did this Ponzi scheme? So how they did it is that they know that most people don't know crypto, most people don't know how to use crypto. So in order for them to trick you people and for you people to believe in this particular fake website over here, what they did is that they simplified everything They simplified everything to the extent that you can even deposit through Momo. When you are in Ghana, when you are in Nigeria, you can deposit through Momo, you can deposit through bank, you can deposit through so many platforms. So they could scam you. The little that you have in your account, they could just take it from you just once. So in order for them to do that, they did it in such a way that you buy a coupon from somebody, you will buy a coupon from just an ordinary person which they call administrator. Then once you buy this coupon from them, what they will do is they will activate a plan for you, or they will activate your account for you, and you will be earning some little amount of money, and they will tell you that maybe you will be able to withdraw on this particular day. Guys, whenever you see a platform like this, kindly stay away from it. It's a complete scam, guys. It's a complete scam. So guys, today I'm doing this review so that you all could be aware of this scam going on. And there's another also ongoing, which is called Ultra Gold, which is also called Ultra Gold over here. Ultra Gold, guys, let me search for you. So this Ultra Gold is also like similar, it's really similar to Ultra Gold is also really similar to this particular platform called the Uskills. Guys, right now Uskills is gone, and there is this another one called Ultra Gold. You guys should stay away from all these platforms. It's completely fake, and they will teach you a lesson at the end of the day. So you guys should just stay away from all these fake websites. As you all know, we Crypto Denzel over here, we do crypto futures over here. We do Binance future trading, we do spot trading, we do a lot of things which are legitimate and which earns us a lot of money over here. So guys, if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, if you haven't joined my platform, any of my platforms, kindly join in my description below so that you could be making real money for yourself, so that you could be making $5, $2, $3 each and every day for yourself. Guys, as you all could see over here in my Telegram group over here, you could see that plenty profit is being made over here. You could see that we are doing Binance futures over here, 85.64 signal. This signal was sent today, it was yesterday, and people are making a lot of good profit from here. It's absolutely free. You guys should join it. I will include the link in my description so you could join this platform right away and be making legitimate money. And if you don't know how crypto works, or if you don't know how Binance works, kindly go and watch my previous videos on Crypto Denzel TV so that you could be able to understand crypto and make money from it, rather than going to invest on all these fake Ponzi schemes on this particular website that they've created. So guys, stay away from all these dangerous and fake platforms so that you could save the little that you are having and also get something for yourself. So guys, you just need to stay away from all these fake platforms over here. So guys, once again, Uskills is gone, and there's another that they've launched. They contact me to promote it, but I didn't want to promote because I don't want my audience to be insulting me, or I don't want to lose my audience. That's why I refuse to promote it. So guys, kindly join my channel over here, Crypto Denzel, on Telegram, on TikTok, on WhatsApp, everywhere. You could join me so that we could be able to cash out each and every day through Binance futures, through spot trading, through a lot of things. We do a lot of things through arbitrage so that we could be all making money for ourselves. So guys, once again, thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel. And also, if you find this video really informative, just give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to smash the bell icon. Once again, thank you all for this particular edition. Once again, I'll see you all. Bye.